Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dogen token. Now the Dogen token is live for pre-sale on their webpage right now. This is a new ICO. Some of these ICOs can be kind of sketchy. We're going to look for any red flags, any potential scam risks. We're going to go over the information on this token. We're going to talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token has a web page, dogen.meme. If you want to find the English version of the web page, you go to dogen.meme/en. And right at the top of the page, there is a box that shows pre-sale is live. If you wanted to get the token, you would connect your wallet. You could use a MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet, Coinbase wallet, whatever wallet you would use. And you connect that wallet and you could buy this token with Ethereum. So you would fund your wallet first with Ethereum. You could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange. There is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Fund your wallet with ETH. Then you would punch in how much ETH you want to spend. And then it will tell you how many Dogen tokens you get for that amount. When the pre-sale is over, you would claim your tokens. Now the pre-sale goes through different phases. I believe this one is 3 phases. Don't quote me on that, but 3 phases, and the price slowly increases as the pre-sale goes on until it gets listed on DEXs and central exchanges. And then the listing price is more than the initial pre-sale price, and that's an incentive to get in on the pre-sale early. Now, if you go to dogen.meme, you can find socials. You can find a document section. We're going to check for audits. So it says here they do have, oh, actually, it doesn't even look like they have an audit yet. So I clicked on their audit section here, and it says CERTIC pre-sale contract coming soon. And then it says CERTIC token contract coming soon. So that's right away kind of sketchy that they don't have a full audit there that we could go over. So just take that with 100 grains of salt already. Now they do have also, if you didn't understand how I explained how to buy this token, they do have a how to buy section. You could just follow that step by step, but I mean, they don't have an audit. That's pretty sketchy right off the bat. So this is a meme token on the Solana network, even though the first option they give you to buy this token on the pre-sale is ETH. According to their document section, Dogen is a meme token on the Solana network. So they're probably going to also, if you put Connect Wallet, they're going to give you different options of crypto that you could buy the token with, like USDT as well, maybe even card. I haven't tried to buy it myself, but that is the way you would get the token. But anyways, Dogen is a meme token on the Solana network. Dogen is the alpha dog and the devoted Degen who never misses an opportunity to make gains. If you're into stunning women, luxury watches, fine cigars, flashy cars, sunshine, and the sea, then join the Dogen army. So the origin of Dogen begins with the iconic image of a swole Doge, the muscular Shiba Inu that captured the internet's heart with its legendary physique and sheer confidence. Once a lovable, goofy dog, Doge has transformed into a symbol of raw power and determination, but Dogen had a different fate. His path led to the chaotic world of cryptocurrencies, where courage and a knack for taking risks matter far more than muscles alone. Enter the term Degen, short for degenerate. So this is basically a combination of swole Doge plus Degen mixed with explosive strength and confidence and the absolute love for taking risks. And you are taking a big risk if you're getting a token from an ICO that has no audits available on their document section. So just be aware of that. So they go over more about the history of Dogen, but I mean, basically that's what it is. Now they have a roadmap on here. So they start with platform launch in phase 1, community building, pre-sale and initial marketing campaign, community incentives program, audit, Dogen, and I still haven't seen that yet. So they're saying that the audit basically comes out after the pre-sale and initial marketing and community incentives program. So they should have the audit come out first before the pre-sale even starts, so you could check the token's safety before even investing in the pre-sale, you would think, right? So to me, that's a big red flag, but not a financial advisor. Phase 2 is staking, marketing liftoff, referral programs, Doge Tap V1 Telegram app. Phase 3, touchdown claim, open DEX and central exchange launch, Dogen Tap V2, PvP and clans, and then tournaments. And phase 4 is airdrop, Dogen Tap V3, special events, NFT collection, Dogen wallet, Telegram app. So they're going to come out with a game, NFTs. All these utilities are basically going to come out after the pre-sale's over. Now they have a whole pre-sale plan here. It looks like it goes, wow, 13 phases it says here. So it's a lot more than 3 like I thought it was. It's 13. It's according to their document section. There's a big vesting and unlock schedule as well. Now 60% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 10% go to airdrop and rewards, 15% staking, 5% liquidity. We got marketing and KOLs get 9%, team 1%, and they talk about the Doge Tap app, more on their document section. The golden points, they have frequently asked questions, the projects, addresses. Now they have here, let me check out the projects addresses. So they have, they have an Ethereum, Polygon, and BSC pre-sale contract. So at least you could check those, run those through a security check and see if there's any issues with any of those. But still, I mean, it's still not a full audit. And they say they're getting a CertiK audit eventually, which CertiK is the leading auditor, but I mean, it's not there, so you can't even look at it now. So it's, I mean, definitely take it with a grain of salt. In a nutshell, that's what I would say about this project. I mean, there's no audit, so, you know, you're taking all the risks when you buy a pre-sale that has 0 audits. So let me know in the comments down there, since I am not a financial advisor, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.